Students, in the previous lecture, you learned the chemical symbols and the atomic number and mass numbers. First, we discuss the chemical symbols. Each element has its own unique symbols, a sort of the chemical shorthand recognized all over the world. A chemical symbol can be capital letter, for example, capital C, which is the symbol for the element carbon, or the capital letter followed by the lowercase letter. Calcium, for example, has the symbol Ca, which come from the first two letters of its English name. Iron, on the other hand, has the symbol Fe, which comes from its Latin name ferrous. Now we discuss the other elements. In the case of the magnesium, we write the capital M and small g. In the case of the zinc, we write the capital Z and the small n. So this is the short discussion on the chemical symbols. Now we discuss the atomic number. The atomic number or the proton number of the chemical element is the number of the protons found in the nucleus of the every atom of that element. The atomic number uniquely identifies a chemical element. It is identical to the charge number of the nucleus. Now we discuss the mass number. The mass number, also called the atomic mass number or the nucleon number, is the total number of the protons and the neutrons in an atom nucleus. It is approximately equal to the atomic mass of the atom expressed in the atomic mass unit. On the other hand, you can say that the mass of the atom depends on how many protons and the neutrons it has. Now, mass number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. We have already discussed the chemical symbols. Today's topic is the arrangement of electrons. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to: number 1, explain the chemical symbols. Number 2, define K shell and L shell. Number 3, describe the arrangements of the electrons. The theoretical model of an atom. Bohr and the Rutherford worked out a theoretical model for the atom in which the electrons are arranged in the layer around the nucleus. Each layer or the shell can hold the certain number of electrons. The electrons are arranged in the shell around the atom's nucleus. Electrons closest to the nucleus will have the lowest energy. On the other hand, the electrons further away from the nucleus will have the higher energy. Electrons are negatively charged subatomic particles arranged like a cloud of the negative charges outside the nucleus of an atom. The arrangement of electrons in the orbital of an atom is called its electron configuration. Students, look at the diagram. This diagram shows the arrangement of electrons in the three different atoms. Number 1 is the helium. Helium contains the only 2 electrons in the first shell. Next one is the neon. The neon have the total 10 number of the electrons. First shell contain the 2 electrons and the second shell contain the 8 electrons. Third structure as the atom of magnesium. The total number of the electrons are 12. The first shell contains the 2 electrons, second shell contains the 8 electrons, and the third shell contains the remaining 2 electrons. Now we discuss the 3 shells or the different shells of the atoms. The first shell, called the K shell, can hold the maximum of 2 electrons. Second shell called the L shell, can hold the maximum of 8 electrons. Third shell can hold the maximum 18 electrons but is stable at the 8. The electrons built up from the first shell, filling the each one until all the electrons are in the place. This means all the electrons are as close to the nucleus as they can be. The table shows how the electrons are arranged for the first 10 elements. In this table, the atomic number of the electrons, first shell, second shell, and the symbol of the given elements are shown. The first one is the hydrogen. Symbol of hydrogen is H. Atomic number 1. Number of electrons 1. First shell contains the 1 and second shell is empty. The next one is the helium. The symbol is the He. Atomic number 2. Number of electrons 2. First shell contains 2 electrons and the L shell is empty. Third is the lithium. Symbol is Li. Atomic number 3. Number of electrons 3. First shell 2 and the second shell contains the 1 electron. Beryllium. Symbol is Be. Atomic number 4. Number of electrons 4. First shell have the 2 electrons and the second shell have the 2 electrons. In the case of boron, symbol is B. Atomic number 5. Number of electrons 5. First shell contains the 2 electrons and the second shell contains the 3 electrons. Next one is the carbon. Symbol C. Atomic number 6. Number of electrons 6. First shell contains 2 electrons and the second shell contains the 4 electrons. Next one is the nitrogen. Symbol N. Atomic number 7. Number of electrons 7. First shell contains 2 electrons and the second shell contains 5 electrons. Next is the oxygen. Symbol O. Atomic number 8. Number of electrons 8. First shell contains 2 electrons and the second shell contains the 6 electrons. Next one is the fluorine. Symbol F. Atomic number 9. Number of electrons 9. First shell contains the 2 electrons and the second shell contains the 7 electrons. Next one is the neon. Symbol N. Atomic number 10. Number of electrons 10. First shell contains 2 electrons and the second shell contains the 8 electrons. Recap. Now we sum up the lecture. First one is the name the 3 tiny particles which make up an atom. You know that the atom contains the 3 charged or tiny particles: electron, proton and neutron. Number second, explain the arrangement of the electrons. You have learned in the lecture the electrons are arranged in the shell around the nucleus. The electron closest to the nucleus will have the lowest energy. The electrons further away from the nucleus will have the higher energy. The arrangement of the electrons in the orbital of an atom is called its electron configuration. Third one is the describe the number of electrons in the different elements. Students, after completion of the lecture, you can easily answer these questions. Now it's the time to follow up work. Number 1, draw the electronic arrangement of the helium, neon and magnesium. Number 2, also write their atomic numbers. Third one is test yourself questions, page number 37. Students, you can take help from your textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.